Hey, Ryan Hurton here, Rolling Full Drive. Wanted to do a short video on how to use the map directory. This has been a continual progression from 2017 to 2021 as we're filming this now. And doing a little trail scouting here out in the eastern part of Wisconsin. We're putting together the Eastern Wisconsin Overlanding Tour. So going through all the different gravel roads and trails. We got some private properties along this route and a bunch of other things. So putting it all together so that way when we go out and take groups out in tours that it's a nice overall experience. So if you want to check out some of the tours yourself or some of the gravel roads or routes that we have planned, if you go to rl4wd.com like you see here, I'm just going to click on the maps and it's going to take me over here. Now again, the menus may change, the templates may change for the website, that always changes, but overall the concept here is still going to be the same. So the trail type, you can see you can only the directory will auto categorize everything depending on those trail types. Tours are going to be the collections of all the different things that we have in there for a specific tour. So if I go to show map here, it will, if I hit the crosshairs, it'll auto locate where I am right now. And then I'm going to zoom in to show some of the stuff that's in the area here. And let's say I want to go down to this gravel road. I'm going to click on the actual name, the listing, and then in this directory listing I can read the reviews, write reviews, add pictures, add videos. You can follow it, you can add it to a list, add it to a favorite. It'll give you a general overview of what the trail specifics are. We use the universal trail rating system, so it's going to give you a trail class, and then you can share it and that stuff, and again see what people have posted. And then here you can actually get directions. So I can actually get directions from where I'm at to that trail location, and you just hit start and boom, I'll be there in 5 minutes. Overall here you have your map file attachments. Those are GPX or KML files. So it'll be good for just about every map program that is used out there. You can read the reviews, that sort of thing. And then, post how you like a specific thing. So a lot of these in southeast Wisconsin are just gravel roads. There's not a lot of trail opportunities down here besides the ones that we have actually funded ourselves. But connecting all the gravel roads together and calling it an overlanding tour, super easy to do, and very enjoyable to take groups out and go through the Kettle Moraine and up through Washington Island and all that stuff. So you can definitely, again, paved, gravel, dirt, you can categorize all this stuff and it will give you what you're looking for. So if I'm going to write a review, I click on write review. You can put a title on it, and then your sliders here will be like, okay, how did you feel? Was it a lot of fun? Was it totally lame? You can make it a 1-star. That's totally fine. A lot of these gravel roads, there's really nothing to them. Scenic value is usually pretty good, but give an honest review. You can say this gravel road is lame, it's boring, and it sucks. Or, wow, this crawling trail is a 10 out of 10 because of this and this and this. Here's our little write-up of our adventure, that kind of thing. People love reading those reviews, and it helps figure out, from us as the organization, from the land managers, if you have a bad review, we try and say, okay, look, there's 300 bad reviews on this gravel road. People want to see it as a slow speed trail. We can take those reviews and go to land managers and municipalities and go like, look, we need some more tourism value on this area. Here's what we would recommend doing. And then, trying to come up with solutions for that. So the other thing is we have write-in reviews. So you can submit a review and it's like a poker run. Every time you submit a picture, a review, a good, well-written review, you are able to download. You can put videos on there or video links, and you're automatically entered into the drawings for that season. So we have, winches and recovery gear and shirts and hats and a bunch of other stuff that our sponsors give away. And it's just an amazing way to get out there, ride some trails, ride some gravel roads, take some tours, do some routes, and get out there. And this helps organize it. You can use the forums, you can use the community, you can use our social media to say, hey, I'm going to go run the overlanding tour for such and such. Anybody want to go? Encouraging people to go together is super huge. So again, just a little overview. Our template's going to be changing here. The website gets updated as often as we can, but generally it's going to look like this. The menu items are going to be fairly similar. We're just going to narrow them down a little bit and take a bunch of that outdated stuff off the site, make it more streamlined. So, see you on the trails. If you have any questions, let me know.